Something happened. That's
No,
why
I
you came to
think
this.
no. I think it's just the way I say things sometimes, and I'm like, I can be very honest, and so there is no sweetness when I'm saying something, so he thinks I'm very tough. But
మీరు నవ్వితే చాలు నదియా గారు అలా.
so I think that's why I get this title all the time. But yeah, but much very easy, very easy. Not just him, even his his assistant directors. They all work very
the same
hard.
team.
There were some who were different for
Yeah.
this film, but some of them were still there for the other film. And no, they work very hard. Whether it is someone who's following your costumes, someone who's making sure that my dates are there, and someone who's making sure I get my lines. Especially a person called Kali. He spent his his entire time trying to make sure. There were times when I said, I cannot get this word, I cannot do it, I cannot. So director and the assistant directors would say, come on ma'am, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, So it was like that kind of support, the moral support, which really helps. And then when people have the confidence in you, then you think, of course you can do it, it's that kind of thing.
ఇప్పటి వరకు ఒక 4-5 మూవీస్ చేశారు. మీకు ఈ పాటకి తెలుగు నేనేం మాట్లాడుతున్నానో మీకు అర్థం అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ మీకు తెలుగు తెలుసు నేర్చుకుని కూడా ఉంటారు. ఎనీ ఫ్యూ లైన్స్
when you tell me to say like that, it's very difficult. So I so much would like to speak in Telugu, but I think somehow there is this kind of a phobia in me, and it's funny because whenever I think I have to learn the language, I somehow hold back. It's something which I have to just feel and just go with the flow. So I think if I lived in Hyderabad for a long time, or probably I should take lessons, so then I'm a little bit more fluent. But for me, it's more like coming to school and going back home for holidays.
Don't go back for holidays. Then you will remember everything.
Yeah, no. I'll remember Telugu, but I'll forget my family. So I think that's definitely the priority. So it'll come.
ఈ సినిమాలో చాలా డైలాగ్స్ ఉన్నాయని త్రివిక్రమ్ గారు ఆడియో లాంచ్ లోనే చెప్పారు. అత్తారింటికి దారిదిలో బతికిపోయారు, ఈ సినిమాలో అయితే ఇంకా చాలా కష్టపడ్డారని. సో యూ రిమెంబర్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ దోస్
లైన్స్? No, not at all. I had a tough time remembering it for the day I was shooting. Forget it. Today it's impossible. No, I don't really remember the dialogues, but I worked hard. I tried to remember the lines. Don't make it look like, when you look at this movies also, but these are not so many lines. Why was Nadia struggling? But it's not that. It's what I'm saying. It's not like I did a mythological film where I have like one whole page of dialogues and everything.
But just we are not exaggerating it.
No. But it's just that sometimes even if it's just 4-5 lines and it has to make an impact, and you have to get it right.
Right. Perfect.
It just makes it even more tricky and tough. And so but it's okay. As I said, it takes about 2 or 3 days to kind of get warmed up.
Yes.
And once I'm warmed up, then it's okay. Then it's better.
నదియా గారికి తెలుగులో చాలా మంది ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉన్నారు. మీ అందరికి కానీ మీ స్మైల్ ఆర్ ఐస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, అండ్ అవి కాకుండా మంచి పర్ఫార్మెన్స్, ది వే యూ క్యారీ ఎవ్రీ క్యారెక్టర్, అన్నిటికీ కూడా మా తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులు ఫ్లాట్ అయిపోయారు. సో ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీరు చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ప్రతిదీ చాలా ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్లో చాలా అవసరమైన ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ చేస్తూ వచ్చారు. బట్ దెన్ ఎక్కడ అంటే ఫర్దర్గా మీరు తీసుకునే క్యారెక్టర్స్లో ఏమైనా జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోబోతున్నారా? నాట్ రిపీటింగ్ ద క్యారెక్టర్స్.
I would like not to repeat, and like I said earlier, my contemporaries, quite a few of my contemporaries who have acted during the time I have done about 200-300 films.
Yes.
This I think is my 45th film. So I've done very few films. And for me, every film is important. So there isn't much of a chance to take a risk. If you're doing so many films, probably there is a chance of taking a risk. But there are many things as to why. Probably because I don't live in the place I'm working.
Yes.
I live in Bombay, so completely the southern doors are completely shut when I go to Bombay. Then if somebody contacts me for a movie and then I talk with them, and so there are many offers that come my way which I refuse, because I tell them, you can take anybody else, you don't need to have Nadia to play that role. So I have to bring something to the table. I have to bring something to my fans who come, pay the money and come to see me. I don't want them walking out of the theatre saying, but why did Nadia do that role?
Okay.
I mean, what a waste. And I don't like to see myself like that. I don't want my fans to see it like that. So it's very plain and simple. It's plain logic. I want to do films that really, really excite me. I should feel like I'm doing a film. So there's a freshness to every film I do. But yes, as I said, in our category, in our age category, you get stereotyped very, very easily.
Yes.
So it's difficult because there are not many women. It's not just here, but even in Hollywood, there are not many roles written for women of my age. And I think it will slowly change. There are cultural differences. And I always say, you know, there are so many things happening in midlife, as we have the midlife crisis and everything. So there could be subjects, there could be scripts written on that, and there are audiences who are as old as I am who would love to go and see another woman their age who's probably doing things you know, which they're doing at home and they can relate to.
And ఏవైతే చేయలేరో కూడా అవి కూడా మీ ద్వారా చూస్తారు కదా, you know, what they can't do in their real lives also they'll watch.
It's an inspiration, right? It's an inspiration. So I, in my small little way, if I have been able to inspire women of my age, or if, like for me, I have to give, I'm extremely thankful to the Telugu industry especially, simply because I came back to the Telugu industry in my late 40s, or mid 40s for that matter.
Yes.
And for me to get this kind of fan following at this age is a huge thing.
Yes.
Where women are completely written off by 30s, when they say that that's it now, again the Jada-Konda combination, it's all over. So for me, there's even a young boy who's as young as 12 or 13.
Yes.
They come up to me and they say that they're my fans and they love me in this movie. And I literally have to ask them. I ask them, but what do you like about the movie?
Yes.
I'm such a tough woman. What is it that you like about me in that movie? So they'd say, no, we just like the way your character was in the film, or the way you, as you said, the way you carry yourself, or they'd say my mom likes you, my dad likes you, my sister likes you, whatever the reasons might be. But I think for me, it's a far bigger accomplishment having adulation at this age than I did when I was in the 20s.
Wow.
It's not like the Tamil and Malayalam cinema where I have done a lot of films, but Telugu I have not done so many films. So for me, I think it is more of an, it's a big accomplishment as a woman, not just for Nadia, but it's an accomplishment for a woman. So I have to give a lot to director Trivikram actually, because he's the one, when I did Attar Intuki, he came, he tried to convince me, and I said, please, I just did Mirchi and I'm playing Prabhas's mother. Now you're going to make me an Attar again. I said, you being in cinema, you know how I'm going to get typecast. He said, believe me, this Attar will be very different. I said, you can say whatever you want, but I'm not doing it. So, it took him a little bit of convincing, and we didn't literally do the film for a year, and he came back again, and he said, but I really see you in that role. And I didn't know him or anything, and then he proved it.
Yes.
So now, he always, whenever I say anything, I said, are you sure? Just believe me. He always says.
నదియా గారు, సిన్సియర్ రిక్వెస్ట్, తెలుగు నేర్చుకుని ఇవే లైన్స్ తెలుగులో చెప్పండి, ఇంకా చాలా మందికి రీచ్ అవుతుంది.
I know, I'm so sorry.
All the people.
Yeah. But even if it's my mother, even if it's Malayalam, if I have to say something, it comes out better. It comes out from my heart when I say it in English.
Okay.
You just put subtitles for it.
ఈ లైన్స్ మాత్రం వెరీ ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ద విమెన్. అంటే నాట్ ఓన్లీ లైక్ మీ ఏజ్ అనే కాదు, ఆల్ ద ఏజెస్ ఇది బాగా అర్థం అవ్వాలి. త్రివిక్రమ్ గారి డైరెక్షన్ లో మీ క్యారెక్టర్ మేము చూడడం, ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఆర్టిస్ట్.
It feels like a festival when you're shooting as well. So.
Wow. So what do you think is the best part of the film? What highlights of the film?
It's not very cliched. Like there are some scenes which you would think that it's going to end this way, and so it's not cliched at all. And of course there might be some characterizations which people say, oh, but it's like this or like that. But for every film there's always something you can pick on. But as a family, you can go and watch it. It's a family entertainment. There are a lot of light moments. There are a lot of tough moments, stress between families, and things that every person can relate to, with situations happen which happens parallel in their lives as well. So I think there's a bit for everybody. And as I said, I don't like to talk big about the films normally that I'm working in, because I like to leave the judgment to the audience, because they judge it right. I don't go by what the papers say. I don't go by what anybody from the film fraternity has to say. I just go purely by what the audience thinks. So, and I think we have made a fun film, and we have the producers too had to stretch their budget, and they fulfilled everybody's wishes, and they've been very patient. So for their sake, for director Trivikram's sake, I really hope the film does really well, and to all the audiences who are spending their hard-earned money for the tickets.
డెఫినెట్గా తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులు అందరి ఫేవరెట్ త్రివిక్రమ్ గారు, ఎందుకంటే ఆ తెలుగుదనం అనేది ప్రతి సినిమాలో, ప్రతి సీన్లో, ప్రతి ఫ్రేమ్లో కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్స్ వై వి లవ్ హిమ్ యాజ్ డైరెక్టర్. సో డెఫినెట్గా ఈ సినిమా కూడా ఇంకొక మంచి సినిమాగా తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకి నిలిచిపోవాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ నదియా గారు ఫర్ బీయింగ్ విత్ us. ఇలాగే మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ చేయండి, ఇంటర్వ్యూస్కి కూడా వచ్చి ఇలా మమ్మల్ని కలవాలి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.